Welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we turn on mobile hotspot in our Samsung phone. Friends you want to on your mobile hotspot in your Samsung phone so friends you can on it. And friends now let's see how to on mobile hotspot in our Samsung phone. In this video I will show you. So before starting video friends first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. First of all guys open your phone setting to on your mobile hotspot. So how can you on guys your mobile hotspot guys? You can see there is no any hotspot setting. So once you can see your phone connection setting, friends tap here, friends click on your mobile hotspot setting. As you can see mobile hotspot guys, you want to on guys, you can on from here. So guys now I don't have SIM card, but guys you want to on guys your mobile hotspot guys, you can on. And friends you can use your mobile hotspot setting from here guys. Password and network name you can check from here guys. And guys you can see your auto hotspot guys, you want to on, and guys you want to off, you can on and off from here guys. Okay, you will have to enter SIM card. After enter SIM card guys, you can use your mobile hotspot setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video, bye friends.